Once powerful and admired, she is now left forgotten among these weeds and rust, quietly surrendering to time.
The cracked paint, scars of time, and the rust, history slowly surfacing.
The Mustang, once a symbol of power, now merely a whisper of pride, worn by the relentless march of time.
The silence in here is profound now.
The relentless march of time is evident here. Decades of weight pressing this once proud machine, the first physical step toward reclaiming the Mustang from the earth. The winch pull marks the moment the Mustang finally begins to move again after years of stillness. The journey has begun. We are leaving the past behind, heading towards a brighter future for this old girl.
To feel the wind again. It's been years since she last tasted the open road like this.
Espresso. The Mustang arrives, still wearing its factory yellow coat. Great care is taken during the unloading process.
Welcome home, old friend. The real work begins now, restoring you to your former glory.
The first true step in revealing the Mustang beneath years of neglect.
It's the small details that matter most. True craftsmanship requires patience and a gentle touch.
As the foam gently recedes, the true character of this '71 Mustang begins to emerge. Look at that patina.
So we're just carefully loosening these aged mounting bolts. It's vital to preserve this original hardware during the teardown process.
And so we peel back the years, revealing the hidden history beneath the surface. It's quite remarkable, really.
When disconnecting original wiring, careful labeling and patience are absolutely crucial to avoid damage.
We use the angle grinder here to meticulously strip away the surface rust, revealing the raw steel underneath. It's a slow process, stabilizing the metal and protecting it for the future.
Now we begin the separation. Removing the original V8 is the first step toward giving this Mustang its second life.
The heart removed, leaving only the quiet stillness. Soon, the careful work of renewal can begin.
Careful disassembly is paramount. We want to respect these original components, ensuring everything is cataloged correctly before we proceed.
We need to strip away years of contamination to properly prepare the engine block for inspection and rebuilding.
Smooth journal surfaces are absolutely critical for engine longevity. Any imperfection here can drastically reduce the lifespan of the bearings.
Care must be taken when reinstalling the pistons. Proper alignment and ample lubrication are crucial for the engine's long-term reliability. We apply slow, even pressure until the specified torque is reached, ensuring consistency across all caps. Correct valve assembly is crucial for engine performance, requiring balanced spring pressure to prevent valve float at high RPMs. Patience and accuracy are paramount here, as the cylinder heads are carefully guided onto the engine block. With the cylinder heads
Cleansing years of buildup from the undercarriage is vital, revealing the true structural condition beneath the grime.
The key here is stripping the corrosion right back to the bare metal. That's the only way to guarantee structural integrity and long-term protection. Sealing and protecting the chassis after rust removal is vital. This deep, even coat marks a major milestone in the structural restoration.
Restoring the chassis begins here. These components are vital for ensuring that the Mustang's ride quality and handling are precisely as they should be.
Metal straightening requires immense patience. It is crucial to preserve the original panel lines of this classic Mustang.
As you can see, the filler is applied in long, even strokes, ensuring we perfect the panel's shape without relying on it to hide deeper flaws.
Patience and consistency are paramount during this wet sanding phase. It's the only way to ensure a truly flawless, paint-ready surface. The primer's job is to unify the surface, ensuring the repaired sections and the bare metal are perfectly smooth before the final paint is applied.
With the panels now perfectly clean and ready,
We must remember the importance of patience before applying the paint.
We must be patient now as the primer cures. It's a quiet moment of anticipation before the color truly brings this Mustang to life. Here we see the return of the engine's original factory color. It is vital to honor the Mustang's heritage with this period-accurate hue.
The accessory components are crucial, completing both the functional and visual restoration of the engine's front assembly.
The engine bay detail is the finishing touch. It's this final step that truly elevates the quality of the restoration.
Finally, the moment of truth. The heart of this magnificent machine returns to its rightful home. A perfect union of power and precision.
Securing the engine mounts correctly is crucial for stability. We torque each bolt precisely to the manufacturer's specification.
The key to a perfect restoration lies in the details, ensuring every wire is correctly labeled and secured.
And with the dashboard now in place, we reach a defining moment in bringing this cabin back to life. And with that satisfying click, we restore life to the gauges. Each connection is vital for the cluster's function. Restoring the driver's connection is paramount. It's about alignment, safety, and that precise tactile precision. Listen to that click.
Perfect.
Restoring comfort and character to the cabin. This foundational layer brings warmth and life back to the interior.
Aligning the rails is paramount. Now we ensure secure mounting, bringing true usability back to the cabin.
Patience and even pressure are key here, ensuring each clip seats correctly for that factory-fresh fit.
Sealing the cabin correctly is paramount. We focus on the alignment and the integrity of the rubber, ensuring it's perfectly weatherproof.
It's about the finishing details, you see. A final expression of care and respect for the Mustang's character.
And so, the mark returns. The identity restored, taking its rightful place upon the grille.
Achieving secure wheel fitment requires balanced torque applied in the correct sequence, ensuring the car is safely grounded.
The symmetry of the exhaust tips is crucial, not just for aesthetics, but to ensure proper clearance around the rear valance and suspension components.
Bringing life back to the engine. This golden oil is the final preparation before awakening the V8.
The final turn secures the connection, completing the electrical system. Safety and precision are paramount for reliable operation.
The quiet before the roar. A moment of stillness before we awaken the beast.
The first successful start. The heartbeat of the Mustang returns.
And here we find the heart, gently breathing, settling into a perfect, quiet rhythm.
We use the rotary polisher to gently refine the surface, revealing the true depth and clarity of this iconic yellow paint.
Listen closely as she breathes. The engine is finally settling, a perfect harmony of power and precision.
The true heart of the Mustang, a stunning display of craftsmanship and balance, restoring this machine to its former glory.
Here we see the culmination of countless hours' work. The comfort and character of this cabin have truly been brought back to life.
Once forgotten, now restored. A true testament to enduring beauty.
Observing the balance and proportion, one sees the quiet confidence of a machine restored to its rightful form.
Patience realized, respect earned. The revival is finally complete.